friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Talking Ben the dog. All right, so he's got a big old head and a body. So we're gonna start with a curved line, and then from there we're gonna draw a soft V, so it kind of comes down and back up, but it's not like super pointy. And we're gonna draw a curved line, fill it in, and yes, this is the nose. Curved line, fill it in. Then we're gonna draw a line coming like this, and that line's gonna come around, down, and back up. Then we're gonna draw an eye here and put another black dot in the middle, fill that in, but not all of it. Then we're gonna draw another eye here, but it's not gonna be a complete circle. Not gonna see the whole thing. Fill that in, lovely. Then we're gonna draw, these look like Cheetos to me. Little, it's like a big thick C. There we go. And then another Cheeto over here. This one's a little straighter. Then we're gonna draw a line coming up, across, like that. And then we're gonna draw a line coming down, around, and it kind of comes back in. There's his ear. And then for his other ear, we're gonna come up, back down, and into his head like that. Oh, we forgot his mouth. No wonder he looked funny. Now we're gonna draw a little S line with some little lines on it. There we go. Now for his little mutton paws, we're gonna draw kind of like a J, a U, and then another J, and then that's gonna come around back up here, and he's got, no, I don't think he's got a neck on this side. Okay, this side though has a little neck, just a little. And then it's gonna come around. Here's the bottom paw, letter U, kind of the J, and then another line coming up. And then we're gonna put another line right here. Lovely. All right, then we're gonna draw his tummy here and here. And then we're gonna draw a curvy line like that. So it's like a, kind of like half a heart. And then we're gonna draw a C, another C, and then we're gonna connect those together. And he's got his little puppy paws. Puppy paws. Got a little line coming back there for his leg. And then over here we're doing the same thing. Kind of have a C, comes around. And we have a little hook line, little bitty skinny line. And it's gonna hook into here. Circle, 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 and then a little line there, and another line down there. And there is Talking Ben, the dog. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.